Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down, unplug, and if your model allows, remove the battery so you can work safely. Boot into BIOS or UEFI to confirm whether keys behave oddly outside the operating system, because that tells you hardware versus software. While powering down, use compressed air and a soft brush to blow out crumbs and dust. Cleaning first often fixes intermittent contacts. Once done, reassemble and test briefly in BIOS before moving into driver or software changes so you know your next move. Now dig into diagnosis. Boot into safe mode and use a keyboard tester or plug in a USB keyboard to compare behavior, because that isolates OS-level faults from hardware. Next, update or reinstall the keyboard driver, and if symptoms began after an update, roll back the driver to a previous version to rule out software regressions. If problems persist, power down and open the chassis to inspect the ribbon cable. Reseat the connector and check for kinks or corrosion, replacing the cable if necessary. Finish by deciding. If reseating and replacement cables don't fix it, replace the keyboard or the entire top case assembly, because persistent ghosting usually means worn traces or failing switches. Before replacement, inspect for moisture damage. If present, disconnect power and clean contacts gently with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and let dry completely to avoid short circuits. Make sure to test after each step. If things still go wrong, a key troubleshooting tip. Keep an external USB keyboard connected while
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.